Good morning, Apollo. Good morning. Mommy's shaky with this hand. She hasn't had her coffee yet. It's early, huh? So what have you been doing? Some scratches? Oh, you're gonna be nice this time. I think Apollo is starting to bluff. Well, this is actually very good behavior. We have good behavior, and then the next second he will strike you hard for no reason. So we assume he's bluffing, but that's okay, because even your hardest strike isn't that bad. I won't tell anybody you're not a big, strong parrot. Oh, we are 13 weeks old, and nothing has changed, I think, since the last time I put up a video. He's still getting into everything. He's trying to talk. Not talking yet, but trying. We think he's trying to say, "What are you doing?" Which would make sense, because the poor bird hears that phrase 600-700 times a day. We don't switch it up very often with him. It's the same couple phrases we say. But he's doing good. He's flying strongly, even though we clipped his wings. No haters. I know some people don't clip, but we have too many animals in the house. It's for his own protection, and the last time he was allowed to fly wherever he wanted, he ate my computer. So he's clipped, but he still has full flight range. Has not stopped him. In fact, my husband has told me that he's scared that Apollo's going to be a super bird because he's going to have so much stronger wing muscles. So, but here he is. What are you doing? You want to come talk to me? What are you sulking for? It's only 8 a.m. I couldn't possibly have made you angry yet today. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. As you eating the basil plant. Bird's like a toddler. You give him an expensive toy and he will look at it, turn his back to it. Give him something that he's not supposed to play with, like bags or paper towels, and his only goal in life is to shoot them. Isn't that right? You really like toilet paper. Naughty bird. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're out of focus because of the sunlight. Is that your disapproving head turn? You disapprove of this? That's too bad. Alright, say see you later. We're about done here. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Or don't. Moody teenage years. Say goodbye, Apollo. See you later. See you later. There you go. Goodbye.